Huang-Rollyu Precision, one-stop mechanical parts manufacturer with fast and flexible turnaround and a competitive price. Your top choice for mechanical parts. One of Huang-Rollyu Precision core business is CNC machining parts that are used in a wide range of industries such as automation, medical device, consumer electronics, security, IoT, energy, etc. Machining processing including 5, 4, 3-axis machining, milling, turning, grinding, wire EDM, etc. Our material capability expertise includes aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and plastic, etc. Finish processing from our subcontractors includes heat treatment, anodizing, black oxide, electroplating, and powder coating, etc.